Welcome back to Hot and Fresh Reviews. Today we got Subway. We got the Italian special is what I'm calling it. Custom order has got meatballs and pepperoni and everything. We'll be back after this. We're back with the sandwich, and they should have called it the Messy Jessie because it's really messy. Alright, here goes nothing. That ain't half bad. Dang. Yep, they should have named it the Messy Jessie.
Yeah.
I'll give it a straight 7. It's at least that good. Well, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip side, where I'm going to eat this messy sandwich.